you think money is hard? You share the difference between a stock and a bond. How about index and mutual funds? What is a dividend? Market cap. Bull market versus bear market. Blue chip. Volatility. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Is your name Noah? That would be pretty funny if your name was really Noah. It's a lot to know and super hard. If you want someone to explain money to you, like you're 6 years old, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Prince AJ Show. I'm your host, Prince AJ. I started this YouTube channel with my daddy to inspire kids and parents to learn about finance and investing through fun and interesting videos. On this channel, we're gonna talk about money, news, and stocks. On October 10, 2022, I bought my first stock, Microsoft. I bought it because I love Minecraft. I love Minecraft because it allows me to be creative. Today, I own 32 stocks. That's a lot of stocks. Some of my favorite stocks are Apple because of my iPad, Roblox because it's fun, Amazon because I love toys, and YouTube because do you really need me to explain my? Look, Mommy, I'm a YouTuber. Every week, I'll post new videos talking about how my stocks are doing and what I learned about finance. If you're inspired, love learning new things, and are as excited as I am, then you should subscribe to the Prince AJ Show on YouTube by clicking the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so you can be the first one to know when I upload. I have a goal to be a $100 YouTube channel so I can reach as many kids and parents as possible. But I'm just 6 years old. I can't do this by myself. Luckily, my family is here to help. My daddy is behind the camera. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
My mommy supports everything I do. And my brother, he's a bozo. I'm just playing. I love my brother. Make sure to smash the like button. Share this video with everyone you know. Leave a comment if you think I'm adorable. If you really want to invest in my future, join me on Patreon for just $5 a month. Learn more in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the epic and legendary. This is the Prince AJ Show.
Anything else you want to say to the mic?
Mm-mm.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Why are you whispering?
Because I don't want the audience to listen to me.
The audience can hear you though.
Okay.